Collectively, with these new outer planet ingresses, we are all moving towards this no going back change that's going to be unfolding over the next 10 plus years in these areas of our lives. Aquarius rising, you are leveraging this level of power and magnetism and attraction that Pluto just started giving you a taste of. And you're just starting to tap into what it would be like if you went even deeper into that. If you went even deeper into the courage to own the dark side, to own the power to root within yourself, to be the person that triggers half the people in the room and magnetizes all the right people in the room. And how are you using that as like this healthy, supportive pressure point to encourage yourself to show up differently in those uncomfortable ways, to dress different when you go to the market, to speak differently about yourself and your work, to talk and engage with people from this new identity, this new version of yourself in the everyday, in the mundane? How are you leveraging that? And then you have Uranus and Gemini, who's just starting to pique your interest of possibility, that is just starting to question the status quo of possibility around how much fun can be had. Uranus is starting to poke holes in your perception around fun, around pleasure, around creativity, around your commitment and relationship and ability to dive into your creative process, to invest into that space and that container and bring something to form. How can you leverage taking an even bigger risk of what's just starting in this area of your life to encourage you to show up in these new ways? How can you just let yourself make the entire thing a little bit more fun? How can you make the entire thing centered around you creating some sort of pleasure experiment? And that becomes almost the accountability buddy to how you follow through on this Aries full moon.